Hello my friends, I am Olga Ivanova and today I will tell you very quickly about the consistent in your advertisement campaigns. If you start already, how it is important, or if you're going to start, it's for your note. And want to remind you very quickly and few points from Successful Advertising Guide written by Thomas Smith in 1885. So I printed, here is the full list, but I will tell you a few points. The people on the first day and the second day, people didn't see your ads. And on the third day and fourth day, they feel like they are aware that it is somewhere there. On the fifth day, they actually read your ad. And on the seventh time, they start to get a little irritated with it. But on the ninth time, they start to wonder if they are missing out on something interesting or not. On the 10th time, they ask their friend or neighbors if they tried it or not. By the way, today is my 10th day of videos. Okay, so on the 12th time, they start to think that it must be good product. And of the 13th time, they start to feel the product has value. On the 14th time, they start to remember wanted a product exactly like this like they want this product for the long time. On the 16th time, they accept the fact that they will buy it somewhere in future. And the 7th time, they make a note to buy this product. But on the 18th time, they curse they properly for not allowing them to buy this product. And on the 19th time, they start to count their money, and on the 20th time, they usually buy this product because they see it several times, they make their analysis about this, they feel like the product is friendly to them, and they buy this product. Okay, and I just want to tell you a small example. I suppose each mother has a similar example from her life. My daughter, when she was about 8, 7 or 6 like this, she didn't like oat porridge. She, how to say, hate it in the past, hate. Okay, she didn't like this product, oat porridge, and I each morning asked her I asked her for the long time period. And one morning I noted that there is no porridge in my kitchen, it finished, and I prepared to her another breakfast. But she asked me, "Mom, where is my porridge? I can't start my day without it." So this is about the consistent and how it is important to be consistent in your desire, in your wishes. Okay, that's all for today. See you tomorrow. I hope it was useful to you and you take some note to yourself. See you tomorrow, Olga.